Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in a sort of enormous manner. Velo generally has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo's EMA10 sort of shows a by and large descending pattern, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which essentially is genuinely critical. 06 January 2024, in this article we will sort of walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Velo? Will be Velo a truly wise speculation, in every practical sense? In spite of mainstream thinking. Velo support and opposition levels and so on, kind of additional appearance how 06 January 2024, in this article, we will basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, by and large clarified some things, facts, what certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo. In every practical sense, is Velo a for the most part wise speculation, or so they especially thought. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the Velo specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, exhibiting how Velo support and opposition levels and so on, further appearance how 06 January 2024. In this article we will truly walk you through Velo cost investigation for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified pressing issues, facts. What sort of is transient cost expectation for Velo? Essentially is Velo a by and large wise venture, which truly is very critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in a for the most part huge manner. The very all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $58,832,899,756 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, which generally shows that market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,643,998,096,525, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value diminishing of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span, exhibiting how Velo support and opposition levels and so on, sort of additional appearance how 06 January 2024. In this article we will basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What generally is genuinely transient cost expectation for Velo, in a real sense, is Velo a truly wise venture? Sol, the local coin of Solana, fundamentally is somewhere near 6.74 and presently exchanging at $94.12, which basically is genuinely critical. Furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a very descending course for essentially momentary and a very huge manner. Right now, a general certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially is very critical. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how Velo's EMA10 generally shows a descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers for the most part become commonly more genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly further appearance, how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which vendors most certainly become move certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem, sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution. As per value examination market record, Velo truly is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. Fundamentally further appearance how 06 January 2024. In this article we will especially walk you through Velo cost investigation for now or for essentially 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what by and large is extremely transient cost expectation for Velo. Truly is Velo a fundamentally wise venture, or so they explicitly thought. However, Velo by and large has a value decline of 5.82% in the very last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a really complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. Exceptionally further appearance how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market truly is going in a sort of descending heading for especially momentary in an unpretentious manner. Velo value examination Velo cost investigation for 06 January 2024 inside a day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, which basically is genuinely critical. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the Velo. Exhibiting that Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to distinguish key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how Velo's EMA10 especially shows an extremely descending pattern, or so they truly thought. The especially relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Velo coin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large is at 30 in a huge manner. The Velo United States dollar moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker, generally is showing up by and large present moment in a real sense, sell genuinely signal as the MACD line in every way that really matters, is moving beneath truly signal line which basically implies generally bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. While Velo's Williams % R pointer basically is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition, and most certainly transient pattern kind of inversion most certainly is conceivable, so we utilize